Welcome back, everyone. Now, in the last 30 seconds, more than 50,000 pieces of Lego were made, and before the show is over, another 7 million will be created. So if you're wondering why the Lego in your household has got out of control, this might have something to do with it.
Yeah, it's the most favourite toy in the world, but it's virtually impossible to keep organised until now. Suze Gray has the story.
Lego. It's one of the greatest toys of all time. More than 650 billion pieces have been sold around the world. And on average, every person on Earth has 102 pieces of Lego. I'm guessing if you're a parent, you won't find that hard to believe. And if you're a parent, you're also probably quite familiar with this scenario. Professional Organiser Anita Birges knows firsthand how many families struggle with their Lego collections.
Every time I go into a client's home and I say, what is the biggest issue? They say, the Lego is making my family crazy. We don't know what to do with it.
The thing with Lego is, though, it sort of accumulates over the years and you end up with what we have here.
So whether it's in a cupboard, under a bed, or you've got a room that you can actually store the toys, there is a way to have it organised properly.
Step 1, breathe. Okay, got that one down. Step 2.
Get everything out.
Everything is awesome.
It's not just the Lego we need to get out of here. The shelving this family has been using to organise their Lego is actually contributing to the clutter.
Everything is awesome.
Something I see a lot of is the storage of all these manuals. You actually don't need them to build things. There's actually a website called brickset.com that if you want to make something, you can just put in the number and a manual will come up with the instructions on how to do it.
Okay, so we're getting rid of this whole box.
We're going to get rid of this whole box. This has just become unnecessary to this home.
I'm yelling timber.
So the biggest issue up here was it was wasted storage. There are things back here, I don't even think they know what's going on back here. So we need to fix it up, get everything out and set up a really good shelving system. Okay, Suze, now we have maximised this space. We have used up all the height, all the depth, and have created a great place for display items for our Lego and use the front part for storage.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
So this is your storage solution for pieces of Lego?
Yes.
What is it?
Okay, well basically I'm using the idea of a tool shed because a tool shed has lots of little screws and nuts and all that kind of stuff. It's the same concept with Lego. So I'm using these from Bunnings. They're handy storage large backing plates. They're $15.95 each and I'm going to put it all across the wall to create this masterpiece.
Where's the actual storage part? Well, this was a genius way of organising the Lego, but how do we know what's in each little compartment?
Okay, so usually I'd use a label maker, but when it comes to Lego, really, how are you going to describe each piece? So what I do is I grab a piece from each box, just one, and I'm going to stick it on with the Tarzan script glue on the front of each box. The more visual it is for kids, the easier it is for them to follow instructions. The bottom four, I've done the superheroes, puzzles, games, art and craft, and then I'm going to use a label maker for that. So every home that has Lego needs an awesome Lego table with excellent storage. So what I did is I went down to IKEA, got a coffee table for $29.99.
Wow.
Easy. Then went down to Kmart, got some Lego base plates for $10. Now, a very important tip when we're going to attach these to the table is to use Tarzan's glue, okay? Don't use PVA glue.
Why not?
That's for wood and it won't stick the plastic together.
Okay.
Then the last part is the storage underneath. Got some Amali pull-out organisers for $17. The last thing, this just slides in underneath as well.
Well, Anita, this is an absolute masterpiece. Good job.
Thank you. Even I want to pay in here now.
How long do you think it's going to stay like that? What are you doing?
Not very long. For more information for this, so please go to Anita's website, miseonplay.com.au.
Murd.